Welcome back to Programming with Rana Waqas. In this Kotlin OOP tutorial, we will cover an amazing feature, data classes. Why we use the data classes and what are the auto-generated functions which created automatically inside the data classes, that is toString equals copy and hash code, and how we can destructure the data class into different variables. So for better understanding, we have to go to IntelliJ. Okay, so imagine you want to store user data like name, email, ID, and you would typically write a class with getters, setters, and equals method, and toString method, and many more. But with Kotlin, you can write all that in just one line using a data class. So let me create here a data class. You will write here data class, and then the name of the class is user. You will write here val name comma string type. Similarly, email of string type and ID of integer type. So let me write here email of string type and val ID of integer type. So this is all about the data class which we have created in a one line. So let's have an example here. Suppose val user equals to, let's create a new user here. For user, we have to pass here names. Suppose Waqas, and here Waqas at gmail.com, and the ID of Waqas is 101. So if I print here, so you will see that when I will print here user, automatically toString method has been generated here in the user class. So when we will run it, we will see the output like name equals to Waqas, and email equals to Waqas at Gmail. Here you can see the toString method is automatically implemented. So similarly, the toString method, the other methods also created here. Suppose let me write here user one, and let's copy this line to the next line, and let's write here user two. If I write here user one double equals to user two, so let's see what is the answer. So here you can see the answer is true. If I change here 1 or 3, so you will see that the answer will be changed. So there is a method of copy which is present in this data class. Let's create here a val user3 from the object of user1. So I will write here user1 dot copy. So if I write just copy, all the values will come into user3. What I want to update the email of it. So I will write here email equals to, and the new email here. Suppose Rana Waqas at gmail.com. That is a new email. So if I will print here user3, so you will see the answer. So here you can see the user3 is here, name Waqas, and email has been updated, and its ID is 101. So let's suppose you want to destructure this user3 data. So for that, you can write here name comma email comma ID, and when you will you will equal it by the user. So you will see here that I just want to print here the name of the user. So I can write here name colon and dollar name. So let's run it, see the output. What is the output? So here you can see it is giving me error because user is not created here. So I have to write here user3 because I want to destructure the user3 data. So here is the output name colon Waqas. Let's put here backslash n, and let's run it again. So you will see this name colon Waqas in the next line. So this destructuring is very helpful when you want to extract some information from the user object. So always keep in your mind that you cannot create inner classes inside this data class. So like other classes, you can create the inner classes that were a companion object, you can say. and in inside the class object class you cannot create such type of code. So just keep in your mind. So see you in my next video. If you are new on this channel, subscribe and press the bell icon so you will get notification of my future videos. So see you in my next video. Take care.